Good morning to all. Now, in this session, again, one more kind of waveform we are considering. For that waveform, we are making a Fourier series representation. All these are repeating questions in OU examinations, end examinations. That's why we are not leaving even a single one also. Now just look at. Let us consider. A waveform is like that. This is 0, like that. Amplitude is equal to A. This is x of t axis. This is t axis. Now first just look at which one is repeating. Entire triangle is repeating. Look at this entire triangle is repeating. Next, same triangle is repeating. Another one, same triangle will be repeating. This is called triangular wave. This is called a triangular wave, or also called rectified triangular wave. Also called rectified triangular wave. Rectified triangular wave. Both can be used. It is a triangular form. Here students have to notice one important point. There is no continuation on the left side. If continuation were be there, how the continuation could be? It could be like this. That means same triangle is repeating like this only. That means what? The waveform is symmetric about which one? Y-axis. Whenever, in the previous session we already discussed, whenever a wave is symmetric about y-axis, that wave should be an even wave. That signal should be an even signal. So here you have to make it here, the given waveform or signal is symmetric about which one? About y-axis. That means x of t axis. Whenever it is symmetric about y-axis, the given waveform or signal should be even signal. It should be even signal. First point we got it. It is an even signal. Second, we have to go for the mathematical modeling. Its modeling is what? There is no gap, continuation. That means direct between t0 to 2 by 4, every triangular one ranges to up to A only. Therefore, this is the only one. This is the only one. This is a mathematical modeling. Since it is even, the Fourier series of x of t, that is equal to half a naught plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n omega naught t only this one only, omega naught only. So here, so whenever it is even, no need to calculate bn. So here a naught equal to 1 by, what is the width of this one? Here width equal to between 0 to 2 by 4 period of the signal 0 to 2 by 4. So here we have to write t by 4. This becomes 4 by t into integral. What is the period from 0 to t by 4 of x of t? X of t means only value equal to a. That equal to a into dt. That equal to 4 by t into constant a multiplying by integral dt equal to t, substituting t by 4 in t, that becomes t by 4. So these two cancels, output equal to a only. Output equal to a. Next one. Here an equal to again 1 by 4t. We have to take constant out of this one, a, integral 0 to 2 by 4. For one, which one? The remaining one, cos n omega naught t dt only. So this is equal to 4a by t into, for cos, integration sin n omega naught t by constant n omega naught between 0 to t by 4. So now here, therefore, an is equal to an is equal to constant how much? 4a by t. That is equal to 4a by t into 1 by n omega naught. This part is constant, and substituting its value. What its value? Sin n omega naught, wherever small t by 4, lower limit equal to 0, sin 0 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. This becomes 4a by t. Here you put omega naught equal to 2, omega naught is equal to 2 pi by t. Since what is omega naught? Omega naught equal to 2 pi by t. Substitute here. This will become t pi, 2n pi into sin n 2 pi by t into t by 4. This will become t cancel, that equal to 2a by n pi into t cancel. This will become sin n pi by 2. Here we have to write two chances. Sin n pi by 2. It is if n is even, its value equal to 0. That means n equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, its value equal to 0. So don't consider 0. So we have to consider n equal to odd only. If odd, its value equal to 1. This is not considering, this is considering. So now we have to consider this value only. So this is the value of which one? A of 2. Now substitute these 1 and 2 in which one? In A. Therefore, the Fourier series of the signal x of t equal to A. How much we got? A. Half A naught equal to A. Half A naught means what? It will become A by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. What A value we got? This is equal to 2A by n pi. Its value equal to sin n pi by 2 into cos n omega naught t. Here this is n, where n is odd. So simply just we can make it as x of t is equal to a by 2. So summation, here you write n equal to 1, 3, 5, etc. to infinity. So here constant, what is the constant? 2a by pi is a constant. Make it constant, and remaining 1 by n into sin n pi by 2 into cos n omega naught t. Or directly you can keep constant out of it. Therefore, x of t is equal to a by 2 plus constant value 2a by pi summation n equal to 1, 3, 5, etc. to infinity sin n pi by 2 by n into cos n omega naught t. So this is the Fourier series of the given wave format. It is very simple. Students have to find whether the given wave is symmetric about the y-axis or about the origin. If it were about the origin, it is odd function, odd signal. The same odd signal we discussed in the previous sessions also. In that case, no need to calculate A0 and AN, only enough to calculate BN. But here, the waveform is symmetric about the y-axis, just mirror format. Therefore, this is symmetric about the y-axis. In this case, the waveform is always even. Even means what? No need to calculate Bn. That's why the Fourier series is expressing only for A0 and An. The mathematical modeling of this waveform equal to, this is the mathematical modeling. We got A0 here, finding An, substituting A0, An in the given main form. Then just we go for simplification only. All these are simplification process steps. Here n equal to even or odd. So whenever sign is there, just you are making two ways. If n were even, the value will be 0. If value will be 0 means there will be no waveform. So discard it. So we are considering only odd values of n. That's why here n equal, look at odd means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. Here 1, 3, 5 like that. Otherwise you can write directly in this way. Under this one where n is odd, you can make like this. In this way, without writing this sentence, you have to make it n equal to 1, 3, 5, infinity. Both are same. So this is the Fourier series of the wave format. This is called triangular wave format or rectified triangular wave format. Both are same. Thank you. In the next session, we are going for another one.